Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. I am like very festive right now with this shirt. I feel like this is very like fall colors, like little like teddy bear type thing. This is like super soft. Anyways, welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to share with you guys my this is my October and more like my recent favorites, because you guys know I say it in every video or in every favorites video. I don't do a favorites video every single month because a lot of the time it is the same products that I am using, but I wanted to show you guys my favorite go-to products at the moment, what I've been using all the time, stuff I haven't talked about on YouTube yet, I have talked about it on YouTube, but I haven't talked about it in like a favorites video or anything like that. I wanted to share these products with you guys, so if you guys are interested to see my current beauty favorites, then keep watching. So one thing that I quickly want to talk about is this new ColourPop Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid setting mist. I have been using this a lot. As you guys can see, I have like put a pretty big dent in it. I use it all the time. I really like it. I have it on my face right now. I don't know if you guys can really tell. It doesn't give me like a crazy like super glow, but it definitely leaves my skin feeling hydrated, and it sets my makeup in place 100%. Like once I spray this on my face and I dry it and everything, there's no powder like all over my face. You know, like when you use a lot of powder and highlight, the powder just kind of sits everywhere on your face and doesn't really absorb into your skin. This really helps it absorb into my skin. I wouldn't necessarily say it really makes my makeup like last. It's not like a locking in makeup type of thing like the Urban Decay All Nighter or something like that, but it's definitely like a nice setting spray for day to day in my opinion. I really have been enjoying this. I do have on the Pretty Fresh foundation right now. I'm still testing it, getting my thoughts, so that's why like I'm not talking about it in this video, because I am still testing it. But this I have been testing almost every day for the most part, and I have really been enjoying it. So up next is a funny little favorite. I picked this up about a month ago. This is a fan. Let me show you. It has 2 speeds. I use this to like dry my face. Oh, this feels so good right now, you don't even understand. But I use that fan, oh, shut it off. I use the fan to dry my face after I use setting spray. I will go in with this and just use this to dry my face. I got this guy for like $7 off of Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested in it. I think it was like $9, and it has like a pretty, I don't know if you guys can hear, but this is the fastest speed, and it has a pretty fast speed in my opinion, and I really do like that it like dries up my setting spray pretty quick. It'll dry in probably about like a little less than a minute, probably like 45 seconds. I like have it on my face, then my setting spray is 100% dry. I really like it. It is super cute, the color as well. Like it's such a cute little color, and it's like a pretty powerful fan for only like $8-9. So this has been like my go-to. I use it every freaking day. Up next is a powder that I have been using for months now, and I haven't talked about it in a favorites video, but this is the Kylie Jenner setting powder in the shade Soft Pink. Now, if you guys saw my video where I did a few months ago where I did like a full face using Kylie's newest releases, I like talked really bad about this product. I was like, oh, I don't think I'll ever be using that again. I didn't like it. And then when I was tan over the summer, I always like reference me being tan over the summer, but it's because when I was tan, I discovered a lot of new products that I love. But anyway, so when I was tan over the summer, I remembered that this powder specifically had like a pink hue to it, and I felt like it was too dark for my skin tone at the time when I first tried it. So I tried it again, and I used it to set under my eyes, and I use this powder every single frigging day. I used it today to set my under eyes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my under eyes look smooth. I really do think that this gives a nice, smooth finish, and it doesn't leave a pink hue. It left a pink hue on me in that video because I was super pale, and I feel like I used a lot of it, so I definitely feel like it left a pink hue on my face. But other than that, I don't think it leaves like a really big like pink hue where you're gonna be like, oh my god, like why are your under eyes looking pink? No, not at all. You can't even tell that I used a soft pink setting powder to set underneath my eyes right now. But yeah, no, I have been loving this product. I definitely want to check out her other shades. Like I think she has like a soft beige, a translucent. I want to for sure check those out and see how I like those. But for sure, the formula of this one I have really been enjoying. So this is for sure probably my favorite discovery of 2019, like hands down. This is the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzer. This used to be all the rage back when I first started watching YouTube like 5-6 years ago. I feel like this was like the like the it product that everybody talked about, and it just, a lot of products have come out between now and then, obviously, so people have like discovered new things and haven't been really talking about this. But my best friend Michelle still has it. I actually bought it for her one year for her birthday, like I think like 6 years ago, and she still has it and she uses it all the time, and she was like, I can't believe you haven't tried it, like what, like you of all people haven't tried it. And I was like, you're right. At the time I was using a concealer to like kind of cream, contour, and bronze out my face, and I was like, let me go ahead and give this a try. And oh my god, I don't even know where that concealer is that I used to use, because this has just taken over my life. This is a universal shade, so I was able to use it when I was really tan, and now that I am becoming more fair, because we are sadly coming into the winter months here in New York. I used it today, and I use it every single day, and I feel like it's just such an amazing shade, and I will definitely probably finish this whole thing by next year at some point, because I have just put such a dent into this. And this is $48, so it is pretty expensive, but I did buy this like 5 months ago, and I've been using it every single day since then, and I still have a ton of products in here. So if you're looking to invest in a higher end product, I definitely recommend checking this out. This shade, like I said, is universal. It worked for me when I was super tan. It works for me now that I'm becoming more fair. I love it. I think it's well worth the investment for sure. So up next, I don't think I've talked about this in a video because I just started really using it more so recently. When I first got it, I didn't like it. I feel like I say that for everything. When I first got this, I didn't like it, but now I love it. That's just like that's who I am, that's my MO, whatever. This is Burnt Bees blush in, oh my god, the sticker isn't even on the back, but I think it is, what shade is this? Oh my god, what shade is this? This is in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. This is the blush that Kathleen Lights always raves about. I got mine like 8 months ago from Walmart, and when I first got it, I didn't like it. I was like, oh, I really don't like this blush. And now that I've used it more, obviously you can see I've hit pan. It is the blush that I use on my face today. It's not a pinky blush, obviously. It's more of like a terracotta orangey type blush. It really matches my sweater perfectly. But I do love it because it like makes my cheeks look rosy, but not like too pink and not too brown, but it just gives me like that perfect color on my cheeks. As you can see, it's not like a really like opaque blush. I mean, it is extremely pigmented. You need to be careful with it, but it's more of like a bronzy blush as opposed to a pinky blush. I really like it. I've been enjoying it. And like I said, it is extremely pigmented, so if you go in with a heavy hand, you will have like a ton of it on your cheeks. Trust me, I have learned the hard way where I've had to like go in with powder and kind of like tone it down, but not that big of a deal. But just keep in mind, it is an extremely pigmented blush, so definitely have a lighter hand with it. But I do love it. Like I said, I picked one up from Walmart. I think it was like $9, so it is more on the pricier side for a drugstore product, but it is great. I love it. I use it every single day. So up next is my go-to lipstick. I use this lipstick every single day, and I have for the past like 4 months. This is from the Sephora brand. This is just like their regular Sephora line. This is in the shade 7. I don't think it has like a, oh, it's called Love Love. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a cool tone color, and this is what the actual color looks like. It's what I'm wearing on my lips mixed with something else, but I'll talk about that in a second. When I first purchased this, I actually purchased it for my little sister when she was here because she wanted a lipstick, and I was like, I'm not spending like $20 on a lipstick for you. I'll get you this $7 Sephora one. And she was like, okay. And then she wound up not liking it, and I was like, let me try it. So I tried it, and I fell in love with it. It is a gray cool tone nude with like some brown undertones in it. It's such a beautiful color. It's definitely not for everybody, for sure, but this is 1000% my type of shade. I mix it with different lip liners. I wear it on its own. I wear it with just everything. I think it's a great lipstick, and for like $8, like you cannot go wrong. This has lasted me so long. I still have so much product left, as you can see. But this is a great little cute lipstick. I love it. It's my go-to. If you're somebody like me that loves nudes, definitely check it out. Like I said, it has like a cool tone gray brown undertone in it, and it's beautiful over different lip liners mixed with different lipsticks. I love it. I find it to be so universal for me, for what I like. So check that out if you're like a nude girl like me. This next one is like a dead girl like dream. This is another product from Kylie. Like if you are somebody that loves nudes, you'll love this. This is too nude for me. This is her matte liquid lipstick in the shade Libra. This is what it looks like. Let me show you quick. I love smelling her lip products. They smell so good. But as you can see, it is more of like a pinky nude. Like definitely super like dead girl lips if you do wear it on its own, but I do mix it with the Sephora one. So I have it on my lips right now. I have KKW lip liner in nude 1 on my lips, and then I have the lipstick all over, and then in the center I have Kylie's Libra, and I love it. It gives such a beautiful pinky brown nude look, and it adds dimension to the lips. I always use it in the center. I just like dab it on and then use my finger to tap it out because number one, I don't like her matte formula like at all. It's way too drying, but I find mixed with other lipsticks in the center of the lips, it works really, really, really well for me. Wow, why did I say like 6 reallys? But yeah, no, I definitely love, love, love that lipstick, and I love mixing it with the Sephora one. It's just like my go-to nude brown everyday lip. So up next is a powder foundation. This is from Maybelline. This is their Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. As you can see, this is well loved. I don't know what happened here, why it looks weird there. I really don't know what's going on. But anyways, I use this. Okay, so I don't know if I've used it in a tutorial yet. I think I have, I'm not exactly sure. But I use that after I powder my face with regular like loose setting powder. I will go in with my sponge, like as you can see, like that hole right there, that's my sponge because I just dig my sponge in there, and I will press this on my face. And what this does is it adds more coverage to my skin without my skin looking cakey. So if I want to go in with like, let's say the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, I for sure can. And then, oh my god, that was a siren outside and it just scared the crap out of me. I thought it was like my cat, like, oh my god, wow, if you guys could feel my heart right now. Wow, that siren just scared the crap out of me. It came out of nowhere. Okay, I don't even remember what I was saying just now. Wow, I was just so scared. Okay, anyways, this I really do love. It does add full coverage and more coverage to your face. I love using it with my e.l.f. sponge. I will use the flat end of my sponge and dip it in here and just press it into my skin. And it just, like I said, gives me a airbrush, flawless, full coverage look without my skin looking cakey. I love it. I feel like it fills in my pores a little bit more. It just gives me that flawless look that I love, and full coverage for sure. I love it. I have used it on its own just as like a regular powder foundation if I've been in the rush, and it looks good. I'm not a typical powder foundation girl. It's not something that I'm like, oh my god, I want to wear a powder foundation today. Like, no, but I definitely like adding it for fuller coverage. But if you do like powder foundations, it does wear really, really nicely on the skin. The only problem I have with wearing this by itself is it does break up around my nose. You guys know I have that issue. But this mixed with a regular foundation like my Fenty or my Pretty Fresh from ColourPop, or even my L'Oreal Infallible, looks amazing. I love it. So if you are in the market for a like colored powder to set your makeup with, definitely check this out. I think it's great. So I saved this product for last. It's not makeup related, but it is for sure beauty related. And I saved it for last because I want to like give it its own moment. So this is a Zara perfume. This is in the scent Ultra Juicy. First of all, I purchased this 2 weeks ago and I feel like I've already used so much of it. And I wanted to talk about it not only because I love the scent Ultra Juicy. It's like just sweet and just like florally, but like fruity. It's such a beautiful, beautiful scent. But because this is the third scent that I've purchased from Zara that I am in love with. I've tried the scent Wonder Rose, I've used the scent Oriental, and now I'm on to Ultra Juicy. And the reason I'm in love with these is not only because of the scent, but because of the price point. I feel like this, well, I don't feel like, I know, this is $15.50 and you get, I think, you get 3.4 fluid ounces. And let me tell you, I wear my Zara perfumes to work because they are affordable and I don't care if I like wear them every single day. And every day my coworkers are always like, oh my god, like you smell amazing, you always smell so good, you smell great. Customers always ask me what perfume I'm wearing, and I'm always wearing a Zara perfume all the time. Every time they ask me if I wear like my Chanel's to work, I won't get as many compliments as I do with like when I wear my Zara perfumes. And I wanted to talk about it because they are such an affordable price point, you guys. $15. Literally, this will probably last me at least another month. Seriously, they have so many scents. I have tried Ultra Juicy, which is right here, Oriental, which is a staple. I've repurchased that like 3 times already, and I have tried the scent Wonder Rose. I'm pretty sure it's called Wonder Rose. They are all such beautiful, beautiful fragrances, and honestly, I would wear this every single day. Like if I had to just wear Zara perfumes for the rest of my life, I for sure would. because they are so good. And for the price point, you guys, is what I'm like emphasizing right now. It is so insane how like affordable these perfumes are. Definitely, if you have a Zara near you, go check it out because you will not be disappointed. They have a ton of scents. So even if you smell Ultra Juicy and you don't like it, or you smell Oriental and you don't like it, or Wonder Rose, whatever, they have so many other scents and they all smell like, they just all smell so good. Every time I smell them, I'm like, oh my god, I need all of these in my life. But yeah, I wanted to talk about this. I wanted to give it its own moment because Zara perfumes, what did I say, Zara? Whatever. Zara perfumes are for sure the way to go. If you are somebody that's on a budget and you just want a good everyday perfume, Zara, you guys, do not sleep on their perfumes. Guys, so that is all my current go-to beauty products. I didn't have a lot, but I definitely wanted to update you guys on what I was loving at the moment that I haven't already spoke about in the past. So yeah, so these are all my current go-to products. I use all of them literally every single day, and that's why I really wanted to talk about these, because these are products that I go back to time and time again. I literally, they're in my everyday makeup routine for sure. I love them. I swear by them. I can't live without them. And yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, if you like any of these products. Let me know if you are as in love with Zara perfumes as I am. Tell me I'm not alone, please, because I can't be alone in this, because these perfumes are amazing. And definitely let me know if you have tried any, and leave me your favorite scents if you have tried the Zara ones down below for sure. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Wow, I like can't speak right now. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.